Hello, my name is Nathan. How are you today? Today, I will cook cheesy scallops with my dad. I'll show you how. Come on. First, you need garlic powder, salt, butter, cheese, more cheese, parsley, and some green onions. First, you need a butter and a bowl. You put the butter in the bowl, and then you put garlic powder. And then we put salts. And then mix. 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 Mixing. And then you get the cheese, shred it, and the cheese grater, like this. Shred. Shred. You chop the parsley by tiny pieces like this. It's tiny. You chop the onion by tiny pieces like this. And then you add green onions. And then you get the scallops. The scallops is cleaned by mom and dad. Next thing to do, you put the butter mixture to the scallops, like this. La, put, yay, put. La, put. put the grated cheese on top the butter and the scallops. Put la 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 la. Put all the. Put all the. Put la 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 la. Put all the. Put all the. Then my mom and dad cook the scallops on the grill. Like this. Get a scallops, put it on the grill. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. The cheese with butter get melted and you put it on the plate. You put the shredded parsley on top the scallops like this. La 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 la. Smells so good. Now you can eat the scallops. Yay! Yum yum yum. It's so yummy. That's how you cook a cheesy scallops. I hope you like it. Press the subscribe button and then you press the like button. Thank you. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. See you soon. Yum yum yum. It's so yummy.